Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, but before I get into the product I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the advice, the video, the product, whatever I'm saying, or you like this video in like a whole in general, then please do give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you like, it tells me what you want to see. Other people can like it, other people can see it, and the video go around, so give it a massive thumbs up. Come and subscribe please to tazwells12. It's very easy to do. You sign up to YouTube for absolutely free. The subscribe button on the top of my main page, and then also you can hit the bell notification button too, because that'll tell you when I've uploaded a new video. So that'd be great, and you can join my little YouTube channel and my journey and the love family. Comment down below anything on the video. If you like it, if you want to give me feedback for a next video, let me know down below. I will 100% like your comment and comment back to you every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just what I've brought, what I brought out of my own money, but it's not sponsored in any way. It's just an advice video for you guys. Check out my other two social medias, which is on Instagram. You have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. Product that we're going to review today is this little L'Oreal lipstick that I actually got in Poundland. But what intrigued me with it was the fact of, if I turn it every way up, it's got this like little bit in the middle, like a lip balm, and then you've got a nice nudie lip. It looked really nice when I got it, like saw it in store, and I thought for just £1 that's absolutely great. The shade is CASSIE. I think it might be like a known person that it's like sponsored with. So this is in 505 Creamy and Lace, just like there, very hard to see, but this pink sort of like poked out to me. Literally there was like a couple of different shades. I think there was another pinky shade. If I go in next I might have a look at the other one, but this is what took my like fancy basically. I had a look at it and I did take it out when I got it. This is a proper review testing tutorial on my lips, but I did like swatch it on my hand and it looked really creamy and really lovely. Before we get into this product, I am just going to clip my hair up and then we can try it on my lips. I've just clipped everything up because basically it's easy for you guys to see it. I'm just going to put the mirror straight here, and I've got my natural ring light on. Unfortunately, the natural light that I normally let come in the back is a bit too bright today. I had to go with a ring light, but you will see pretty much. I'm going to start on the bottom lip, go from there. But that is literally like what the product looks like. It looks really lovely. So we'll go on the bottom lip. And why I like this, it looks like a really natural nude. Like I think I'm going to really like this. It's got a touch of like sparkle, shimmer in it, but you can see it's really natural. It's really creamy. Goes on really well. There is a sort of like scent to it and like a fruity taste. But like how natural that is, like that'd be your lovely like everyday lipstick. I might have to pick another one of these up. Like how much product do you get in here? Like you get quite a bit of product, to be fair, but I might have to pick another one of these up because I can see myself like really liking this. Like how natural is that? There is like a tiny like bit of glitter in there, but because it's like looks so natural and you can only see the glitter, like if you go like clearly up, but apart from that you can just see this nice shiny lipstick, which I think I'm super duper gonna like. It's one of them lipsticks where are just gonna be like simple, like nude, you know, they're gonna look really nice. Feels like a lip balm, but it is giving my lips something. You can see it definitely is. It's giving that shine, that pink, like the nudie sort of pink. It is really, really nice. That's what it looks like. Just took my hair down to do the rating, but again, really, really nice. Today's rating on the L'Oreal 505 Creamy and Lacey is a massive thumbs up, massive thumbs up. I am going to pick another one of these up when I go into Poundland. Like, these were super, super nice. I'm going to grab another one because it's just generally a nice lipstick. Like, it feels creamy. It feels like lip balm. Literally, it'd be something that you could wear in the day or the evening. It's very versatile. It literally looks like a very nice shimmery lip. Something I'm liking for the simplicity, but very, very nice for £1. It's a massive thumbs up for me. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of makeup review testing tutorial video on the L'Oreal lipstick in 505 Creamy and Lacey, and my rating was a massive thumbs up. If you like the video or the advice or the tutorial, the quick tutorial, or anything in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Like I said, if you tell me what you like, I can bring more and other people can see it and they can like it and the video will go round. Come and subscribe please to tazwells12. Hit the subscribe button on my main page and the bell notification if you want to be notified of when I've uploaded a new video. Comment down below on anything on the video if you like it, feedback, anything. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. This is just out of my own money, what I went into Poundland and saw fancied at a bargain price. It's not sponsored in any way. Check out my other two social medias, which is on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Like I said, this has come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting as always. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please take care, have a lovely day or evening, and I'll see you soon guys. Bye.